Welcome back to Car Hub, the destination where car lovers come to experience the future of the automotive world before it even hits the streets. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and join our family of enthusiasts who live and breathe cars. Today, we've got something truly exciting. Something that blends heritage, innovation, and performance in a way that only BMW can. This is the all-new next-generation 2026 BMW Z4, officially unveiled. And trust me, this might just be the most revolutionary Z4 ever created. The BMW Z4 has always been a symbol of pure roadster joy. Open-top freedom, rear-wheel drive excitement, and that signature BMW balance that turns every drive into a memorable moment. But for 2026, BMW has taken everything we know about the Z4 and evolved it into something bolder, sharper, more dynamic, and even more futuristic. This isn't just a facelift. This is a full transformation into the next era of sporty roadsters. Let's start with the design, because that's the very first thing that hits you. The new 2026 Z4 has a completely resculpted exterior with cleaner, tighter body lines and a more aggressive stance. BMW has moved away from bulky styling and leaned into a sleeker aerodynamic profile. The front grille is redesigned into a modern, compact interpretation that blends seamlessly into the bumper, giving the car a wider, more confident look. The adaptive LED matrix headlights are thinner and sharper, almost like the eyes of a predator, giving the Z4 a high-tech yet intimidating presence on the road. From the side, the car looks lower and longer thanks to the redesigned character lines and extended wheel arches. The 2026 Z4 sits on lightweight forged alloy wheels, up to 20 inches, designed to improve both aerodynamics and handling. The roof mechanism is also faster and smoother now, folding in just a few seconds, even while rolling at low speeds. And when the roof is down, the Z4 transforms into a pure open-air roadster that feels like it belongs on the cliffs of the Amalfi Coast or the sharp curves of the Swiss Alps. The rear design is perhaps the most dramatic evolution. The taillights have been redesigned with a futuristic 3D lighting pattern that gives the car a unique nighttime signature. The quad exhaust setup on the performance trims is wider, more pronounced, and matched with a new diffuser designed to maximize airflow and stability at high speeds. BMW didn't just want this car to look faster, they wanted it to be faster. Speaking of speed, let's get into performance. The 2026 BMW Z4 is powered by BMW's latest generation of engines, including a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder on the base models and a re-engineered 3.0-liter inline-six on the higher trims. Early testing suggests horsepower figures of around 255 horsepower for the base variant and nearly 400 horsepower for the top performance version. And with BMW's new lightweight chassis structure, the power-to-weight ratio is better than ever. The inline-six model is expected to hit 0 to 100 km per hour in just under 4 seconds, making it one of the quickest Z4s South ever built. BMW has also refined the ZF 8-speed automatic transmission to deliver quicker gear shifts and better responsiveness. This is a roadster built for drivers' sharp steering, precise handling, and that signature rear-wheel drive thrill that keeps purists happy. But for the first time ever, BMW is also offering an optional xDrive, all-wheel drive, system for improved stability and traction in all conditions. One of the biggest improvements BMW made for the 2026 Z4 is its driving dynamics. Engineers focused heavily on enhancing suspension performance, reducing body roll, and improving chassis stiffness. This results in a car that feels more planted through corners, offering a level of confidence that previous generations couldn't match. With adaptive M suspension, variable sport steering, and upgraded braking systems, the new Z4 delivers a genuinely premium performance experience. Now let's move inside. Because the interior of the 2026 Z4 is nothing short of a technological showcase, BMW has redesigned the cabin with a driver-focused layout, making every control feel natural and intuitive. The centerpiece is a massive curved dual-screen display that includes a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch central infotainment screen. This is powered by BMW's latest iDrive system with improved voice control, touch responsiveness, and wireless connect. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates all come standard. The interior materials also received a luxury upgrade. BMW now offers premium leather options, new trims like brushed aluminum and carbon fiber, and ambient lighting that adapts to your driving mode. The seats have been redesigned as well, offering stronger side bolstering for spirited driving while still giving you full comfort for long highway cruises. The sound system options, including the Harman Kardon upgrade, turn the cabin into a concert hall, especially when the roof is up. Safety and driver assistance are also improved. The 2026 Z4 includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assists, blind spot monitoring, parking assistant, and the latest semi-autonomous features for safe, stress-free driving. BMW wants this roadster to be fast, stylish, and exhilarating, but also safe and intelligent. The big question is, who is the 2026 Z4 for? This car is designed for the enthusiast who craves excitement, the driver who wants open-top freedom, and the person who values style and performance wrapped in one sleek package. Whether you live for weekend canyon drives or simply want something iconic in your garage, the new Z4 brings emotion back to the sports car world. BMW has officially brought back passion, precision, and power with this new generation. The 2026 Z4 is more than just a car, it's a statement of evolution, luxury, performance, and a clear reminder that the joy of driving is still alive and thriving. Thanks for watching Car Hub. If you enjoyed this deep look into the next generation 2026 BMW Z4, make sure you like the video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more exciting reviews, reveals, and automotive breakdowns from around the world. We've got plenty more incredible cars coming your way, so stay tuned and keep exploring the future with us.